Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this structure. 如果就如果 means if. Let's see some examples. 如果有人打电话，就说我在开会。If someone calls me, tell them I'm in the meeting. 打电话 means call. 说 means say, tell. 开会 means have a meeting. Now let's see one more example. If it's raining, we don't go. 下雨 means rain. Now please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. If you go, I'll go together with you. 如果你要去，我就和你一起去。一起 means together. Now let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? How to say, if you don't understand, ask your colleague. Now let's see the answer to the question of our last class. He told me as soon as he received the email is, 他一收到邮件就告诉我了。Are you right? Okay, see you in the next video.